Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify contrast in typography with Stark for Figma. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Figma project with the design you want to evaluate. Ensure that you have the Stark plugin installed in Figma. If you haven't installed Stark yet, go to the Figma community and search for Stark. Click Install to add it to your plugins. Once installed, return to your design file. Select the text layer or component you wish to check for contrast and typography. Navigate to the menu by clicking on the top left corner of your Figma workspace. Choose Plugins from the drop-down menu. In the Plugins list, find and click on Stark to launch it. Once Stark is open, you will see various options for accessibility checks. Select the Contrast Checker option first. Stark will automatically analyze the selected text layer against its background. Review the results that appear in the Stark panel. If the contrast ratio meets the recommended standards, you will see a green indication. If the contrast does not meet accessible guidelines, Stark will suggest potential color adjustments. You can adjust the text color directly in Figma to improve contrast. Next, proceed to check typography. Select the same text layer again or any other text element. In the Stark panel, switch to the Typography section. Review the typography recommendations provided by Stark. Look for feedback on font size, line height, and spacing. Implement any suggested changes directly in your Figma design. Continue this process for all text elements in your design. Once satisfied with the contrast and typography adjustments, close the Stark panel. You've now successfully verified and improved the accessibility of your design using Stark for Figma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.